Yeah. Hi, Nilu.
Hi, Samega. I was wondering, is it you or not? Because there's a screen and I have a different surname here with me. Tell
I
us.
have got, yeah. I
Tell
would
us.
really like to go. You can hear me, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. My journey from being a client to Sudha to then getting trained under Sudha because of the beauty of this device. We generally don't call it a machine. We call it a device because it is a family. If you're not there, like 2 days I was not able to get onto the device. When I opened the device the third day, it said, oh, I missed you for the last 2 days. That was the
Seriously.
beauty of it. So it in between it keeps on sending you messages. Even when you're taking the clients, it will keep sending you the messages. Okay, look at these things. Or how about looking at these things which you feel when there is some lack even within yourself, you find it is flashed in the on the screen of that. Yeah, I will. All other things I think Shweta has spoken nicely. Sudha has told in details. Uh, since this is all a women's telesummit, I would like to where the women really are interested in. First part is there are many programs in this. First part is relationship. I would like to describe. I have taken most of the sessions before going in for certification with Sudha, because it's only when you know the details of those you can go and convince somebody. This doesn't require convincing. I think when people are meant to come to you, when they really want to get healed, they will come to you automatically. In the relationship compatibility, like Sudha said, fusion consciousness, there is this beautiful program. Just in numerology, how you change names. There you can change the name of your spouse. Something. Maybe there's a pet name or something, and very beautifully the relation gets fused so nicely. You find a change in the person in front of you. Like we all have teenage sons, once they become teenagers, par lag jate hai. They don't want to listen. Either they are mobile addicted or, they have tantrums about food. For mobile addiction, in addictions also, for mobile addiction, there is a beautiful, beautiful program. Then there is something in sports and developing of physique. Like for women, we have all beauty related. Height increase is also there. See, height increase is something which we don't hear of. There is breast enlargement, there is height increase, then your eyebrows, eyelashes, everything, lips, even the, like, it is amazing. I've had a few things in the sessions. And for the kids, when it comes to a mother, the weakness is always the child. For the kids, mostly where they are ADHD, autism and all, for normal kids, okay, they will become much more better. But when there is ADHD and autism with children, I think the mother suffers more. The children, of course, suffer because they get dragged. But the super learning program which is there, it is so amazing. Automatically, the child picks up. I mean, I myself have done 100 clients when I was going through the training process. And it was really, really amazing to see those people who were not able to get 35, they were into the 60, 65, 70 marks, percentage marks. Then these were also some group sessions. It was not individual. You can understand if group sessions are giving you so much effect, when you take one-to-one, it will be much more. It will be really much more. Then there are issues when you have had some accident. Outside you feel everything is good. There's not a scratch. But when you get attached to this device, it will show you exactly whether there is oxygen levels are less or whether the blood has flown somewhere, or even the spine, L1, L2, L3, every spine it gives you properly. Even the brain functions, which brain is not functioning. All those things can be seen on the screen, and the reports which Sudha generates after that. I mean, we all generate after this. Every report, there'll be, you can say the report itself, 70 to 80 reports you will get, each one different. And the beauty of all this is, like you say, I generally don't go in for allopathic, I only go for homeopathic. You can get the person treated through homeopathy, through gem therapy, through crystals, through batch flower, everything, everything. So the total process, like today, if I want to go to a doctor, I have to choose where do I go. Allopathy can't treat you for homeopathy, or homeopathy can't treat you for Ayurvedic. Then even the diet, even the color, it tells you, you may eat green colored vegetable for 1 week, this week, or you may wear a blue colored dress. It will tell you which color. It is all, what you say, connects with your body. Ultimately, it is a form of energy, and our body is also energy. So it exactly sees in you which thing you require more and which you require less. And I think after my 2007 breast cancer surgery, I have never been to a hospital. It has always been Sudha for me. And the machine is just beautifully, the device is beautifully aligned to our body. It tells you much more. And the day you think that I have to let go of this thing, you are totally, from the disease state, you are into the ease state. Your healing is done, you can say. Whether it is hexes, curses, right from migraines and simple headaches to your heart, cancer, the pulmonary system, which is I think the second highest, the first being the ECG, heart, everything. And it works very, very beautifully on Alzheimer's and dementia. As of now, we don't have cure for Alzheimer's and dementia.
Okay.
Yeah, so very beautifully this works. And it's really, I mean, Sudha, if you go to Sudha, you say that I want this much, she will keep on giving you, will not even realize that she has given you so much. You don't realize, probably you think, no, I am paying so much for this, but then you don't realize what you have it. And she is a connection forever. Once you start associating with her, it doesn't get over. It's a lifelong. I think I must be in touch for now 10, 12 years with her. It's a lifelong connection.
Fantastic.
Yeah. And maybe the first time you have to go to her personally for details and all this. But after that, it is always mostly distance. It's mostly distance. Whether it's curses, hexes. We had a very interesting episode with my son's therapy on this hexes, curses. And things are much better. Aura cleaning, it gives you amazing. The minute you can see the photograph before your aura is clean, and you see yourself after the aura is clean, which is what hardly it takes not more than 5 minutes time. But it is amazing. So every session you can take for yourself and then see what are the results you feel. It's the thing is very, very awesomely done. And it touches your inner core. It is not only external, because external things fade away faster. This will remain with you. So I would wish that each one of you should take at least one session with Sudha. And kids should definitely go in for this program. Even the non-disciplined ones will be disciplined. So
fantastic.
Yeah. I can keep on talking.
Yes.
The time is limited.
You've covered. You've actually, I think, given us a beautiful overview into the whole thing. So thank you, Sumegha. And
thank you.
You know how many learnings Sumegha takes on. I've seen her from the previous Tele Summit. We've been on a couple of classes together, and she's sitting here and saying all this. I hope everyone's paid attention. So thank you, Sumegha.
Thank you, Emily. Thank you.
Very nicely put.